Hello students. Uh, as you know, this year the council CISC board has changed the pattern in the 12th mathematics subject, that it divided in two parts, the 80 marks for theory paper and 20 marks for the project, maths project. And one video I have made earlier for the section A, that the project on the mathematics. This is my second video for the section B, because you have to make the two project according to the council. According to the council, you have to make the two project, and the project 1 the 10 marks allotted, and the project 2 again the 10 marks allotted. So that is why the two files you have to meet for the projects, and the visiting examiner as well as the internal teacher will assess you and to give the marks out of 20, and then it will be sent to the council. So in the first video I have told how to make the project for the topic, that was the topic, the integration, definite integral as the limit of sum. And this topic I have taken from the section B, because the topic has given in this council syllabus. So I have chosen the one topic, and this topic is to find area bounded by parabola and an oblique line. But before that, I want to tell you how to write the project. Take the bunch of papers, that is the sheets of paper, punch thick paper, not the very thin, and then use the scale, pencil, pen, black pen, anything, and write neat and clean. Use the graph paper if required, use the scale and pencil and draw the figure if required. Then you will inside the sheet, punch the means that sheet you will take and keep in the file may be the transparent file, may be the good one, जैसे भी आप जाए रख सकते हैं फाइल के अंदर. And then write the top first page should be written your name, the project topic means project name, what is the topic of the project, and class, subject, and to whom you have to submit. Why to whom means teacher name. So that is the procedure how to write the project. Now the topic is to find area bounded by the parabola and an oblique line. First of all, you will write the object. This is the object in the heading, first heading. Second heading, tools, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन, मतलब क्या चीज चाहिए, उसमें क्या जरूरत है. द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन इन दिस टॉपिक, डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल, कोनिक सेक्शन बिकॉज पैराबोला स्पेशली, एंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन, जो लाइन हम यूज करेंगे. इफ यू हैव द बुक, दिस बुक मैथमेटिक्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग ISC मैथमेटिक्स बाय ML Agrawal, आर्या पब्लिकेशन, then you can, I will tell the some examples from this book and you can do very easily. तो पहले तो आप ये लिख लीजिए, ऑब्जेक्ट लिख ले, टू फाइंड एरिया बाउंडेड बाय पैराबोला एंड एन ऑब्लिक लाइन, दिस इज द टॉपिक. देन यू कैन राइट द टूल्स. देयर आफ्टर you have to write the procedure. And what is the procedure in this? The procedure is the main thing, means you can say this is the content, means find जो भी हम इसमें यूज कर रहे हैं, क्या चीज यूज कर रहे हैं. तो you will write here procedure, and in procedure you will write, for finding the area first we should understand the concept of finding the area of a curve by using integration. मतलब सबसे पहले हमें कॉन्सेप्ट समझना है कि what is the method to find the area of curve by using the integration. तो for finding the area first we should understand the concept of finding the area of a curve. Understand the concept of finding the area of the curve by using integration. And as the concept to find the area of a curve by using integration, because integration से ही करना है, तो by using integration. This is the this is only the first para of the procedure. Then you will write if the function means what is the procedure. Now you have to explain if the function is continuous. Continuous in the closed interval a comma b, these are the domains a to b, then the area of the region below the curve below the curve and the x-axis and between the ordinates, the x-axis and between the ordinates x is equal to a and x is equal to b is given by area is equal to a to b y dx. Y dx are fx dx, that is, this is the area, but this is only the concept of the area. So now you have to use this concept and find the area between the curve, means parabola, and the oblique line. For this you will use the graph, or you will sketch the curve first and let the curve. Then the next para, area between the curve means parabola y1 is equal to fx and a line y2 is equal to fx. This is the line y2 is equal to fx. And if you draw the curve, suppose that this is parabola, तो अगर हम इसको curve को draw करें, or you are getting the curve like this parabola, and the line is this. So this line meets the curve at the 2 points, and you have to, this is the line and this is the curve. You can say this is the y1 is equal to fx and this one is equal to y2 is equal to fx is a line. And if it meets the at 2 points, you must find the meeting point, means intersection point of curve and the line, means point A, coordinate of point A and coordinate of point B. Suppose it is x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, और a1 comma b1, a2 comma b2 जैसे भी अब हैं. अगर ये हमने a मान लिया, इसको b मान लिया, मीन्स a comma 0, तो this is the a comma something y1 and b comma y2. These are the coordinates. तो ये अब हमको कर्व किसके बीच में एरिया किसके बीच में निकालना है. यू हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया बिटवीन द कर्व मतलब ये कर्व एंड द लाइन, it means only this shaded part you have to find the area. How to find the area? In this case, if you take this curve and the limit a to b, just now I have told you that a to area is equal to a to b fx dx, तो a to b अगर हम लेते हैं और ये कर्व लेते हैं तो we will get the area of the whole this part, but we have to find only the area between these two, between this line and the curve. So we must subtract the area of the this part, मतलब ये जो लाइन के नीचे का पार्ट है इसे इस पूरे एरिया से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो वी कैन गेट द एरिया. इट मीन्स द एरिया, यू कैन से the area of this curve minus area of this part, so you will get the answer. How to get? For this we have, अब इसको हम रब कर रहे हैं, you can draw the figure. Thereafter you will get, let y1 is equal to fx and y2 is equal to are the curve and line. So first we find the intersection point. तो सबसे पहले intersection point निकालेंगे. So first we find intersection point of curve, मतलब पैराबोला हम लिख देते हैं इसमें, because you are doing the parabola and the line. So and after finding the area we have to find y and give the limit of the part, which give the limit of the part, which give the limit of the part of the curve, which you have to find the area, which we have to find the area. Now अब वो हमने then we draw the rough sketch of the curve and the line is same graph and draw the region between the curve, then the area of, by using the, now from the graph by using concept of definite integral, area of the shaded part is equal to a to b fx, means fx dx जो y1 वाला था पैराबोला, एंड माइनस, क्योंकि वो माइनस करना है, a to b y2 dx, means the equation of the line you will write in place of y2 and equation of the curve means parabola in place of y1, so you will get the answer. After finding the area, this is the conclusion, but you will not stop here, because this is the procedure to find. Now you have to take the at least two examples and find the area by using this procedure. तो examples हम लेंगे. Now you take the examples. तो example 1 and example 2, just I will tell you. Example 1 means example 1 I will tell you from this book, Arya publication, Understanding ISC Mathematics, section B, applications of integrals, and page number you can take any two examples, page number 1386, page number B 1386 example 18. You can choose the example 18. This is also based on the curve and the line. And one more example, you can take the example 19. Also, you can take the 1386 page number and 1387 page number. And then draw the figure also, and exactly you do whatever it is given in the book. Then you will write the finding. Finding means कि क्या conclusion निकला after doing this one, the two examples also. Then you will write the findings. In findings, by this way, this is the conclusion. By this way, we can find the area between a curve and a line, and a line which is parallel to x-axis or y-axis वो जरूरी है, and also area between the bounded by the two curves, bounded by the two parabolas, by the two circle, by the two ellipse, कोई भी. So by this way we can find the area between a curve and a line, between two curves also we can find. Two curves means that is ellipse, hyperbola, circles, etc. So this is the conclusion. मतलब कि इस तरीके से हम क्या क्या और चीज निकाल सकते हैं. So you can find the, by this way we can find the area between a curve and a line, also between the two curves like ellipse, circles, and more. So this is the procedure how to write the project, second project, that is you can say the from section B, and this is very easy to write, and also you will get the maybe the 10 marks for one project and the 10 marks for the other project. In the third video I will tell you the again the one more topic from the section A. Thank you.